नमस्कार, मैं तहे दिल से आप सभी का एनिमे सीसी में स्वागत करती हूँ। सबसे पहले आप सभी को गुरु पूर्णिमा की अनेकों शुभकामनाएं। A very warm welcome to Parampara, our humble tribute on the occasion of Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima celebrates the special bond between Guru and शिष्य। गुरु नाम आते ही एक गहरी पवित्रता का एहसास होता है। यदि गुरु शब्द का अर्थ देखें तो गु का अर्थ होता है अंधकार और रु का अर्थ उजाला होता है। यानी गुरु शिष्य के जीवन में अंधकार को दूर करते हैं और उनके जीवन को उजाले से भर देते हैं। A guru is our teacher, mentor, guide, support and a sathi. Right from Krishna to Dronacharya, from Maitreyi to Chanakya, from Savitribai Phule to Swami Vivekananda. From time immemorial, India has witnessed the tradition of inspiring gurus. They have transformed not only the lives of their disciples, but also created legacies for generations to look up to and live by. In my own journey of life, I've been blessed to find gurus who have guided and shaped me into the person I am today. My mother's name is Purnima. On the sacred day of Guru Purnima, let us honor all our parents as our first gurus, teachers, mentors, and role models. They guide us and teach us life lessons with their wisdom and unconditional love. Today, I'm remembering with fondness and gratitude one of my dearest and most inspiring gurus, my father-in-law, Sri Dhirubhai Ambani. On the 6th of July, it will be Papa's 21st death anniversary. He continues to live on, not only in our hearts, but in the hearts of millions of Indians. Today, with the deepest respect and affection, we pay our homage and Shraddhanjali to Papa. Papa was an institution in himself. He was an icon, a visionary, a business leader par excellence. But at his core, Papa was a loving teacher. Just being in his presence, watching his grit and determination in everything he did was a master class on life. He always believed in me and encouraged me to follow my dreams. I remember 7:30 p.m. every evening used to be my time with Papa. He would sit with me and ask me questions. The topic could be anything. It would range from agriculture to stock market to the political climate in Argentina in those days. Many times I would try to find out from Mukesh what Papa might ask me the next day, but of course that didn't help, as Papa would always find new topics to quiz me on. Though at that time it was overwhelming for a young bride. मैं तो कभी डर भी जाती थी. But now I look back at it as the hour of learning and motivation. He broadened my horizons, taught me that nothing is impossible if you chase your dreams with discipline and hard work, and showed me the value of respecting and nurturing relationships. Papa's zest for life and his vision have been an inspiration for Mukesh and me, for all his children, grandchildren and great-grandchildren, for the entire Reliance family, and also for the youth of our nation, in whom Papa always had the greatest belief and faith. Papa left a void that can never be filled, but his indomitable spirit continues to guide and inspire us in all that we do. Friends, I'm a teacher at heart and an educationist by passion. But as an artist, I'm a lifelong student of dance. I worship dance. Dance has been my form of expression, meditation, and devotion. It is my connection with divinity. Today, I want to express my respect and gratitude to all my teachers from school to college and all the gurus who initiated me into the sacred discipline of Bharatanatyam. Friends, एक गुरु और शिष्य का संबंध विश्वास और सम्मान पर निर्भर होता है। गुरु शिष्य परंपरा भारत में प्राचीन काल से मनाई जाती रही है। The Guru Shishya Parampara is the heart and soul of India's artistic and cultural legacy. It is the foundation of our nation's rich heritage. It serves as a bridge connecting our past, present, and future. A tradition that embodies the essence of our values. At the NMACC, through Parampara, we are honored to pay a tribute to the richness and beauty of this tradition. Over these 2 days, it is our privilege to host some of the finest maestros of Indian classical music and their illustrious disciples. We are truly honored that gracing our stage today are Pandit Kartik Kumar with his talented son, Sri Niladri Kumar, and Padma Vibhushan, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasya with his talented nephew, Sri Rakesh Chaurasya. My deepest gratitude, respect, and appreciation to all our distinguished artists. My sincere thanks and appreciation also to all of you, my dear audience. Thank you for joining us in honoring the sacred Indian tradition that has flourished across eras and over generations. भारतीय संस्कृति में गुरु का दर्जा ईश्वर से भी ऊंचा माना गया है। आइए हम गुरु और शिष्य के बीच के इस गहरे बंधन को सम्मान दें और नमन करें। मेरे साथ साथ आप ही दोहराइए। गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। धन्यवाद। Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished artists, dear friends.
ऐसी ही और खबरों से हमेशा अपडेट रहने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें।